Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by placing the command block where the time machine will sit. This anchors all behavior. Once done, give yourself one command block with /give and make a simple platform 5x5 so commands have room to run. Make sure to wire a trigger, a button or lever for single activations, or a redstone clock if you want looping effects. You do this because the command block controls time changes and needs stable placement, power, and a predictable area to affect. Next, you build the actual time control commands inside the command block and any chain blocks. Use /time set 0, 6,000, 12,000, 18,000 to jump to dawn, noon, dusk, or midnight, respectively. That's how you change world time instantly. Once done, employ /execute at /prun command to make effects happen relative to the player, so the machine feels personal. Make sure to chain blocks with repeat /chain settings and use redstone comparators for sequencing, because timing and order matter for reliable transitions. Finish by wiring triggers and testing every step. Press the button and watch time jump, then test a redstone clock if you need repeated cycles. You should verify each command block mode. Impulse, repeat, and chain, and toggle needs redstone versus always active appropriately because wrong modes break sequences. If things go wrong, reduce complexity. Disable loops, test a single /time set, and confirm you targeted the correct dimension. One key troubleshooting tip. If the machine does nothing, check that command blocks are enabled in server or world gamma rules.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.